We will continue with chapter 3 of maths, how many squares. You can see here an irregular figure. Can you find its area using the grid? Yes, let's see how. This extra portion that you see here and here can be cut and adjusted in these places, and then you get a perfect rectangle which covers 4 squares. So the area of this figure is 4 square centimeter. Now let's try to find the area of this triangle. You can see this triangle is half of this rectangle, and this rectangle has 12 boxes inside it. That is, the area of the rectangle is 12 square centimeter. And because triangle is half of it, area of this triangle is 6 square centimeter. Now to find the area of figure B, you have to just shift it down and fit it along the line, and then you can see that it covers 9 boxes. That means the area of this is 9 square centimeters. For these two figures also you have to cut some portion and adjust it so that the whole figure lies inside the boxes, and then you can find the area of these figures as well. Can you find out which portion is to be cut and where it should be adjusted? For figure C, cut this portion and adjust it here. So you'll get 4 squares. So area becomes 4 square centimeter. And for figure D, cut this portion and adjust it here and find its area. In the same manner, find the area of this figure E. And now for this figure, can you guess which portion is to be cut and where it should be adjusted? And can you find out what is its area? Samina says that both the triangles that you see in this figure have same area, but to Sadik they look different. Now Sadik has to find the area of these two triangles and check out whether they are same in area or not. Look at the blue triangle. This blue triangle is half of the rectangle, and rectangle has 20 squares inside it. That means the area of the rectangle is 20 square centimeter. Because blue triangle is half of it, the area of the blue triangle is 10 square centimeter. Sadik got the area of blue triangle as 10 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of the red triangle. But before that, let's divide this red triangle in two portions. One part of a triangle lies in orange rectangle and is half of that rectangle. Also, orange rectangle has 12 boxes inside it. Means its area is 12 square centimeter. So the area of orange triangle is half of 12, that is 6 square centimeter. The other part of our triangle lies in green rectangle and is half of green rectangle. Can you say what is the area of green rectangle? Yes, it is 8 square centimeter. Therefore, area of green triangle is half of 8, that is 4 square centimeter. So the total area of red triangle is 6 plus 4, that is 10 square centimeter. So the area of both the blue and the red triangles is same, that is 10 square centimeter. Suruchi drew two sides of a shape and asked Asif to complete the shape with 2 more sides, such that the area of this shape is only 10 square centimeter, neither less nor more. So this is what the shape Asif has drawn. Can it be drawn in any other way? This is the other way in which the figure can be completed, and you can count and check there are only 10 squares inside. Means the area of both the figures is 10 square centimeter. Now one side of the shape is given. You have to complete the shape such that its area is 4 square centimeter. So either you can draw like this, or it can also be drawn like this. You can see a rectangle, and the area of this rectangle is 20 square centimeter. This rectangle can be divided into 2 equal triangles by drawing one straight line, and the area of each of these triangles will be half of 20, that is 10 square centimeter. Similarly, we can draw one straight line in this rectangle and can divide it into two equal rectangles. So we can draw that line either this way, or we can also draw a line this way, and it is divided into two smaller rectangles. Area of each of these smaller rectangles is again half of 20, that is 10 square centimeter. Now we can also draw two straight lines so that this rectangle is divided into one rectangle and two equal triangles. The area of this small rectangle is 10 square centimeter because it is half of the big rectangle, and area of each of these triangles is 5 square centimeter because they are half of the small triangle. You have to make different shapes using 5 squares. If you use only 5 squares, the area of each shape will be 5 square centimeter, but its perimeter will be different. Some examples are given here. You can make many different shapes, but you need to use only 5 squares, not more than that. You can see here in the picture, each different color shape is using only 5 squares. And after joining all these different shapes of different color, you get a big rectangle. This rectangle has 60 squares inside. That means the area of this rectangle is 60 square centimeter. The pattern that you see here is made by Ziri using hollow tiles. Can you count and say how many tiles she has used? If you count, you'll find that there are 12 tiles. And can you find the area of this floor pattern? What you see here are different shapes of a floor tile. Can you guess how many of these will fit each other without leaving any gap? And can you find the area of these tiles?